There's this viral honey AI keyboard going around. Basically, there's a bunch of honey on the keyboard and it makes a really good ASMR noise. So I wanted to try and make my own honey keyboard but out of wax candy. In the video, the AI person is tapping their fingers on the keyboard and that's what makes that really good honey keyboard noise. I don't know. But with that being said, my hands are gonna be full of honey. Great. Let me just tell you, these AI videos are getting out of control. They literally do the best ASMR. And it makes me sad for the creators who do ASMR because imagine if AI takes over their jobs. Because those AI videos get millions of views and that can take away views from the ASMR creators. So let's hope my keyboard comes out just as good as the AI one. I think my keyboard is already better because hello, it's edible. You can't eat an AI keyboard, but you can eat this one. The hardest part about making this keyboard is taking it out of its mold. There are so many little pieces that it makes it easier for it to crack. And now it's time for the honey and ASMR.